I'm Dr. Lisa Goodman with Dr. Chris Dorsa. I'm going to run through 5 exercises you can do when you're just starting to develop your low back strength or if you're rehabbing. So first thing, I want you to lay on your back. We're going to progress now to a one-legged hip bridge. So if you have the strength to do 2 legs, move to 1. You're going to repeat this about 10 times. 5 on each leg. Okay, go ahead and roll to your hands and knees. And we're going to move on to a bird dog. This develops a lot of core strength. You're going to take opposite arm, opposite leg, and you're going to really push out to the front and back of the room and hold for about 4 to 5 seconds before switching to the other side. Now we're going to do one of my favorites, which is the military plank. So go ahead and get into a plank. And now he's going to drop down to his elbows, and he's going to try to eliminate any rocking from his pelvis. So up and down about 10 times with this. Let's move to 2 really functional movements. The first is going to be a mini kettlebell deadlift. So you can see he's got his feet wide. He's going to bend his knees, his hips. He's keeping his back really flat. You turn and show it from the side too. Thank you. Down and up. That looks really good. So you're going to repeat that about 10 times with a light weight or even no weight to start. And lastly, a squat. So go ahead and do some air squats. Down to about parallel and up. Let's show that one from the side too, so you can see how flat the back is. Down and up. And the air squat could be modified by tapping onto a chair or even sitting down and standing up. With the air squat, just remember to keep your knees nice and wide and feet shoulder width. Check out some of our other videos for more about active rehab.